marketing is not just a trend, it is the future of how businesses will be operating moving forward. Welcome to our series on digital marketing. Today, we are diving into the essentials of what digital marketing is and why it matters. In simple terms, digital marketing refers to any marketing activities that involve the internet or any digital device, starting from social media posts to search engine ads that's running adverts. Now, any ways that businesses can reach their audience in the digital world is called digital marketing. So the big question is, why is digital marketing important? Well, this is very important because over 4.5 billion people are online. And guess what? This number continues to increase every day. Because of this immense opportunity that customers and business people can reach each other, the essence of digital marketing is very, very important. Digital marketing offers the advantage including targeting advertising, measuring results, a vast array of channels that you can reach out to people like the SEO, social media content, email marketing, and the rest. All of these are ways that you can use to push your business out on the social media. So now let's break down some few key content on digital marketing. Let's start with the SEO. Now, when we talk about SEO, what do we mean? We are simply referring to the search engine optimization. SEO is all about optimizing your content so it ranks higher on the search engine, making it easier for people to find you. How about content marketing? Now, this focuses on creating valuable content that attract an audience like blog, videos like this very one you're watching, and infographic. All of these. Email marketing. You can nurture lead by sending personalized email that inform and engage your subscribers to become a customer or a partner tomorrow. Let me tell you something. Digital marketing is not just a trend. It is the future of how businesses will be operating moving forward. So whether you are a small business owner or an aspiring marketer, understanding this concept is crucial for your business to survive. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about digital marketing, do well to check our upcoming videos on this very series. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video to whoever you know that will need more knowledge on digital marketing.